Chapter 1: Introduction to Instagram Marketing. Instagram has evolved from a simple photo sharing app into a powerful marketing platform with over 1 billion active users. For businesses, Instagram offers unique opportunities to connect with audiences through visually driven content. Whether you're a small business, an entrepreneur, or a large brand, understanding Instagram's potential can significantly impact your marketing success. Why Instagram is essential for your marketing strategy. Massive user base and high engagement. With over 1 billion users, Instagram provides access to a vast audience, and its engagement rates are among the highest of all social platforms. This means that people are not just scrolling, they're actively interacting with content through likes, comments, and shares. Visual storytelling. Instagram's visual nature allows brands to tell their stories through photos, videos, stories, and reels. This format helps businesses showcase their products, highlight their values, and create a memorable brand identity. Diverse content formats. Instagram offers multiple content types, including static posts, carousels, stories, IGTV, and reels. This diversity allows brands to experiment with various formats to see what resonates most with their audience. Targeted advertising. Instagram's advertising platform lets businesses target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This precision targeting helps ensure that your ads reach the right people, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Influencer partnerships. Instagram is a hub for influencers across various niches. Collaborating with influencers can amplify your reach, build credibility, and tap into new audiences who trust these content creators' recommendations. Setting clear goals for Instagram marketing. Before diving into Instagram marketing, it's essential to define clear and measurable goals. Common objectives include increasing brand awareness, driving engagement, generating leads, boosting sales, and improving customer loyalty. Your goals will shape your strategy, content, and how you measure success on the platform. Consistency and branding. Consistency is key to building a strong presence on Instagram. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts and maintain a regular posting schedule. Consistency also extends to your visual branding. Use a cohesive color palette, typography, and style to reinforce your brand identity. Building a solid foundation. Getting started with Instagram marketing involves setting up a business profile, optimizing your bio, and understanding the platform's features. As you progress, you'll learn to leverage Instagram's tools to grow your business and achieve your marketing goals. Let's embark on this journey and unlock the full potential of Instagram for your brand.